Hi guys, my name is Divyank Bansal and I'm coming to you from day 2 of the 2023 Auto Expo in Greater Noida. We are at the MG Pavilion and the car that you see right behind me is the MG Euniq 7. Now, Toyota Wellfire and Kia Carnival fans will especially be interested in watching this video. That's because this is a proper big 7-seater van from MG, but what makes it very unique is that it is MG's fuel cell vehicle, that is a hydrogen powered fuel cell vehicle. So what this essentially means is that coming out of this car's exhaust is nothing but pure water. Yes, that is the beauty of hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, and MG has chosen the 2023 Auto Expo as a platform to show this car in India. But of course, there are no plans of bringing it here. It is just a demonstrator model to show MG's prowess in terms of what it is capable of doing in terms of technology. And this goes to show that MG is well beyond ICE and EVs and also into hydrogen fuel cell technology. Now coming to the car itself, of course, it's a huge 7-seater electric van, and it gets 7 seats inside. MG has not revealed specifications of the car at the expo, but internationally the powertrain inside is capable of delivering around 200 brake horsepower, and inside it gets about a 6.5 kilo hydrogen tank that can enable the Euniq 7 to drive up to 600 kilometers, which is pretty fantastic range given the size of the car and the fact that there's only water coming out of the exhaust pipe. Now, I won't leave you without explaining the design of the Euniq 7. Well, at the front, you get again all LED lighting and a very in-your-face, a very bold chrome grille, which is again a very signature MGQ as we've seen in the past. And moving to the side, of course, you have a very flat side profile, but the car sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, and as you can see at the side stickering, goes to show that it's hydrogen powered. Moving to the back of the Euniq 7, well, again, a very straightforward appeal. You get this MIFA badge at the tailgate, and apart from the Morris Garages badging that is stretched through the tailgate, you get a very sleek profile and, quite huge tail lamps. So those are the design highlights of the Euniq 7. And at this point, if you're wondering why the car is not being launched in India, as you know, even though fuel cells are very beneficial in terms of, reducing the carbon footprint, but hydrogen-powered vehicles again need a proper infrastructure of their own. They require hydrogen refueling stations, and capturing hydrogen from the atmosphere to convert it into this readily usable fuel is a very tedious and expensive process at the moment. So at the time, due to infrastructural shortages and the fact that it's really advanced technology, there's still some time before we start seeing fuel cell vehicles in India, if at all the government plans on bringing them here. But nonetheless, platforms like the 2023 Auto Expo are a great way of seeing what manufacturers who are present in India are doing internationally overseas and what exactly are they capable of in terms of 4-wheeled vehicles.